What's up, everybody? This is the Welding Machine coming to you guys with a brand new video. Today's video is going to be a different video. It's going to be an update on things and everything that's been going on since the last video. Alright guys, so I'm going to go ahead and get this started. First things first, welcome to the channel. Thank you all my new subscribers. Thanks for subscribing. For all you new subscribers, please check the videos in my previous videos and watch those. Get caught up. The Welding Machine. So rebranding the channel. It's going to be mostly business talk on business talk, tips, and projects. You know, as far as like customer projects that I've done, and things of that nature. All right, so we got a couple topics we're going to talk about on this piece of paper right here. First topic is how much do I charge? Well, guys, with this, it's a kind of question, because you know, depending on your areas, depending on how you charge, and how I normally charge, how I did charge was I went and set my price at a certain amount. Like for instance, if you got insurance, taxes, you got to pay. If you're doing it legit, if you ain't doing it legit, then you can charge however much you want to charge and get all that money. But if you're doing it legit, you know, you got to think about profit. You know, if you want to include material costs like grinding discs, gas, and all that in your pricing, then yeah, and then don't include the metal. There's many ways. I would say just go ahead and test out your first price. I would say shoot high for your first price and see how it goes, and then don't go too low, because you get a lot of pencil kickers, or not pencil kickers, you get a lot of people that want stuff done for cheap costs and not willing to pay, and you want to get rid of that, because yes, it's money, but if you say Bob comes over and he wants you to weld the exhaust, and he's like, you know, oh, you know, 30 bucks for the exhaust. It takes you 2 hours and you charge $50 an hour. You just wasted, you just lost like 50 bucks. And then you gotta think, you gotta take the price of gas and all that stuff. So, I mean, do it all at your own with that. I try to stay away from that stuff. I stopped doing exhaust a long time ago, because it's time consuming, and it's not worth the money unless you charge hourly to do it. Which most people want something cheap and done quick. And I don't care what it looks like. But anyways, so yeah, be cautious about that. Yeah, your first price is based off your area. I mean, you go as far as looking up prices in your area, and then just go off that. Shoot high first, and then if you gotta come down, come down. But you know, it's all about, you know, where your area is and everything, and your equipment costs. And if you see, and it comes into fact, if you own all your equipment, or if you're paying like a lease or a month to month to pay for your equipment, or like you're owning it but you gotta, you know, make payments on it, then that's going to play a factor. You buy a new truck, and you got payments, that's going to play a factor in how much you charge. I mean, there's many variables. Everything I got, I own all of it. My truck, the trailer behind me, all the equipment inside the trailer, everything is owned, paid and bought for over the years. So it all depends on what you know, and then you got to figure gas prices, and it's a whole bunch of stuff go along with that. Alright, do you charge mileage? Yes, I charge mileage. I asked a couple of other welders that I know, like, you know, that are in my area. They charge one way. I charge one way. Anything inside of North Carolina state, I charge like $1 plus, depending on what it is. Anything out of state, I charge $2 minimum, $2 a mile minimum. That'd be like a service charge, because it's more stress on your vehicle when you gotta go out of state. I mean, anything can happen out of state, you know, vehicle breakdown or whatever. How to find work. Here's the many places where you can find work. Right here you got Thumbtack, you got Google Ads, you got Home Advisor, you got Facebook, you got your Facebook business page app, you know, Instagram. So all social media you can use to find work. I got work from all social media, even Instagram, everywhere. Some of it's free, some of it costs money, and you know, it's one of those things where you gotta, cause see, you can use Thumbtack or Home Advisor and pay for the lead. Might be $20 per lead or whatever, but you're not guaranteed that lead, because it's up to the customer. So if they want, hey, this guy is charging this much, can you do something better? Then they can do that, and you can lose work like that and money. So I mean, I lost a good deal of money on Home Advisor, no, Thumbtack. So I mean, Thumbtack is better than Home Advisor only because Home Advisor, they want you to make a yearly payment of, I think it's like $200 for a membership. But why do that when Thumbtack I can just pay 20 bucks, don't have to pay no yearly membership, or 15, or depending on how big the job is and how much they think you're gonna get for it. And also don't forget to include that in your pricing. Whatever you pay to get the lead, include that into your pricing. Let's see. When should you start a business? Hey, start right away. If you can start out with a Harbor Freight welder. I did, and now I own a trailer, generator welder, bunch of welding equipment, torches, partial building. I mean, start out as soon as you can. I mean, you don't have to go ahead and become an LLC right away. I mean, you can just do it out your back of your yard, in a shop, garage, whatever, just to start out. I mean, because everybody's got to start somewhere. When should you walk away from a job? Well, guys, from my personal experience, there's many signs to where you should walk away from a job before you even start, and if you start a job. Like for instance, if you got a job and somebody wants you to do something, but they don't want you to do it the right way, they don't want you to do it half behind, just remember your name is going to be on that if you do that job, or if they have any complaints or anything about it, it can come back on you. So you got to know when to walk away. And also, I had another job, like it was like a while back. A guy wanted me to do some rails or something, and I said, gave him an estimate, and I should have put this in the paper I have him sign that says may change, estimate may change due to newfound information or anything like that, because estimates are subject to change because it's an estimate. It's not the job price, or but yeah, I had told him, I was like, it's got to be a little bit more due to time and all of that, and he got mad. So, and then but there's other factors, like I had already built the rail for one side and everything, and then he didn't at first. He was like, this is what I want, send me a picture, started building it like that. Then he changed his mindset, I don't want it like this, I want it like this. Had to cut everything off, and it took so much time to do that because I already had estimated it, and I gave him the new price, new estimate. He said, oh, I don't want it. So I was like, alright, well, that's cool. I lost out on money on that. I lost money on a couple of jobs due to having to walk away, because with a business, it's not cool. Alright, so the way it worked, I got a helper, I pay him, I get paid, and the business get paid. So let's just say I charge $80 an hour. I get 30 out of that, my helper gets 10. And then pretty much, the mileage, you don't want to break even, and because the way it would work is the business wouldn't have made money. I would have got my paycheck, my helper would have got his paycheck, but the business would have came out with an owed balance. When I mean an owed balance, I mean didn't walk away with no money. The business pretty much didn't make anything. The only people that made that is the employees. So I took the decision and figured it out. If I would have done the job, the business would have been out, how much was it? $600, or no, about $700-800, somewhere around there, because I had to increase the price. Well, I'd say about 600 bucks. And then if I would have done the job, that's how much the business would have been out. But if I didn't do it, I'd have been out of steel, the cost of the steel, and the gas to get to that job site. So 200 bucks. Yeah, steel can always be sold. And also, what I've learned too, is if you're gonna charge for the steel, make sure you get a deposit for all material. I didn't do this because I've been doing it like this, the way I've been doing it, until it turned around and bit me in the butt and I was stuck with the steel, which I can use the steel on something, but always do a deposit and have it in writing, because that way you're not stuck with it. And then also have it in writing, if they leave it, if it stays with you, if they don't come get it within a certain period of time, then they forfeit the right to the steel that they own. So then you can sell it or whatever you want to do with it. So yeah, that's that. Losing money, okay, I already talked about that. So yeah, guys, so thank you for watching. Please comment, rate, and subscribe for more if you're new. And thanks for checking out the channel. Check out all other videos, and I'm gonna try this. I'm gonna try to post 3 videos a week. It's gonna be a business video behind with me, with my magnets, my trailer, possibly my truck, and then project videos be in the shop, and then tool reviews, and then maybe some tips and stuff talking inside of the truck. You know, it's going to be different locations for each video, so please tell me what you think. I'm going to try to post 3 videos a week. I don't know exactly the dates because I'm still planning it out, because I am pretty busy right now. You know, getting my truck and everything, getting back where I need to have it at. I'm going to try to post 3 videos a week. Even if the video is only 2 minutes, 3 minutes, something just to post to make it more relevant. Thank you guys for watching. Please comment, rate, and subscribe for more if you're new. Hit that like and notification bell and subscribe button. And if you like the video, like it, share it, show your friends, spread it. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Well, Sheen out.